developing this product, it would be something people didn't really realise they needed. But I know firsthand how important it is to stretch and recover before and after your workouts. I looked at the convenience of it and how it was capable of achieving 3 really important things: to stay loose, stay hydrated, and not having to worry about carrying around a bulky foam roller in addition to your water bottle.
My name's Cam and I'm an osteopath and CrossFit coach. There is some science behind rolling and what is happening physiologically. All in all, research suggests that there are some benefits to myofascial release, with subjective improvement to range of motion, decreased pain and decreased DOMS, which is the soreness that you get after exercise. In terms of implementation and duration, short bouts is enough to create a change, 30 seconds to a few minutes. Most efficient time would be between warm-up sets at home during an ad break or on a break at work. This can be done daily or multiple short bouts throughout the day. Rolling can make you feel better so that you can continue to do one of the most important parts of recovery, which is moving around.
I love working out, and when I am restricted by injuries or aches, it really affects my mood. So with Refresh and Recover, we can say no more slow movements, no more frustrating post-workout routines. It's smooth sailing from here on out. Flexibility, energy, and all the relaxation that a rounded workout routine has to offer is yours for the taking. So let's build a community of active, healthy people where you can now recover and hydrate anywhere, anytime with Refresh and Recover.